Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall a rear inside door handle on this 2000 Nissan Altima. We do the driver's side, passenger side, rear is the same. Only tools you'll need are a Phillips screwdriver, a small flat blade screwdriver, and probably a putty knife to pry the door panel off.
Start by taking a flat blade screwdriver, and there's a little trim button right down in here. You have to be careful, all the sticky stuff down in here sometimes. Pry that up, and then there's a Phillips screw there. And then here, you need to carefully, and you can see this actually has already been broken, carefully go in here, pry out. Okay, up here, pry out. Up here, pry out as well. And remove this bezel, and you can see there it has 4 places where clips go in.
Here I'm just using a Phillips screwdriver. Take out that screw and pull up on that pull cup. The pull assembly comes up and off. And the switch comes out with it, pulled backwards and out, and then underneath there's a tab on the harness where it connects. Push the tab down, disconnect the harness. Pull out, work your fingernails underneath, and pull out on the door panel and release a bunch of clips. And lift the panel up and off. Right in the back of your handle, use a small flat blade screwdriver, and there's a little trim button covering a Phillips screw. Now there's a Phillips screw in here. Remove that. Slide your handle. Gotta get the screw out here. Small flat blade. Pull the screw out. Slide the handle back and out. You may have to pull your water shield down a little bit. Take your flat blade screwdriver and pop that clip open so you can pull those out. And then basically what you have to do is pull this one out this way. Pull it up. Okay, and then turn the handle this way. Pull that one up and out. Okay, when you go to put it back together, the straighter rod is the top rod. So you want to put this, the one that has the hitch in it here on the bottom. Just put that in first and twist. Okay, then put this in, pull the handle this way a little bit. Okay, now as you go to put this back together, pull your clip down over here. Okay, make sure these go back in. Put the handle in, slide it forward, lock that clip back up and around. Flip screw in place. Trim door, button, on, and then your water shield back up in place. Okay, to put this on, you want to get the back clipped in here first, and then go at a really good angle, push it up, and then on. Okay, now bring the front up, push it in towards the window, and down on. Okay. Put the edges in. And put this back in place.
harness. Reconnect that. Push the front end first, and the back down in. Put our Phillips screw back in. And then our little trim button.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.